Hello class and welcome to today's video. In this literature video, I will be going over a specific type of character sometimes found in literature known as the Byronic hero. Please pause the video if you need to at this time in order to get out your class notebook and something to write with so you can take notes which you will be using later. What is a Byronic hero? The term Byronic hero came from the English Romantic poet Lord Byron. It was so named because Lord Byron himself, as well as many of the characters in his writings, all exemplified the characteristics of the Byronic hero. This is the English poet Lord Byron. As you can see, he appeared to be very eccentric. Eccentric simply refers to either the person or the person's behavior as being unconventional and slightly strange. But just what are the qualities of the Byronic hero? Here are some of the characteristics or qualities of a Byronic hero. The character will usually have a handsome appearance. He is usually brilliant and well off. There is usually some sort of mystery or secret surrounding him, coming from a secret sin or crime. He is, however, portrayed as a modern culture hero. Please take a moment now and stop the video so that you may write down the qualities of the Byronic hero, as you will need them at a later time. As I read through the qualities of the Byronic hero, there is one character which comes to mind, at least for me. The character is none other than Mr. Rochester from Charlotte Bronte's novel Jane Eyre. Some of the Byronic hero qualities this character portrays are as follows. He is well off, dark, and mysterious with a secret past. Keep in mind that the character does not need to have all the qualities, but rather possess enough qualities to be able to be identified as a Byronic hero. There are other characters which you might be more familiar with who are considered Byronic heroes, and they are Snape from Harry Potter, or Beowulf from Beowulf, and Mr. Darcy in Pride and Prejudice. And now for the homework. There is really no official homework for this video. However, I would like for you to think of other Byronic heroes you have come across in your readings. Be prepared to discuss your findings on Monday when we meet. This is the end of our literature lesson.